If you're using a hotel collection scent diffuser, one of the first things you'll notice is how consistent the fragrance feels. But then the question comes up, how long does it actually last? The answer isn't just a fixed number, because it depends on how you run the diffuser. These systems are designed to release scent in controlled bursts, which means usage settings, room size, and oil level all play a role in how long a bottle or session lasts. Some users get weeks of use, while others go through oil faster simply because of higher intensity settings. Instead of guessing, it's better to understand what affects longevity so you can control it. Let's break it down step by step. Try threes. 1. Check your diffuser's intensity level, as higher settings use oil faster. 2. Consider room size, since larger spaces require more output. 3. Monitor oil level regularly to track how quickly it's being used. 4. Use timer settings instead of continuous mode to extend usage. 5. Ensure proper placement so scent spreads efficiently without overuse. 6. Adjust settings based on your preference to balance strength and longevity.